So hey everyone, it's Max. Doing a little work on the 66 GT350 clone here. I broke the turn signal cancel while I was putting in the power brake pedal. Actually, I was under the dash and must have hit the turn signal and pulled it in such a way that the plastic kind of cancel inside the wheel broke on the one side. So I'm going to try and fix it in place. I have it jury rigged right now with a zip tie, but I have this thing, it's a plastic stapler. I'm going to see if it works. Let me show you guys. So first things first, we're going to take the wheel off. So let's do that. We've got to take the nut off. Hang on a second here. Make sure this is the right one. Might not be able to do this with one hand, but let's find out. There's one. Okay. Thank you, Ford, for designing this to be easily pulled with a puller. The wheel is pre-threaded. I'll be right back. Okay, so the puller released the wheel. Take the wheel right off, and you see that side of the cancel, it is cracked right there where it should be solid. And let's see if my tool here, so with these, they get red hot. Let's pull one out. These get red hot using the gun here, and theoretically, you can staple this together. Let's see if that works. Okay, so I'm supposed to heat this for 5 seconds until it's red hot. Then we're going to put it right into here, and I'm going to do that off camera because it seems a bit delicate, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this thing got red hot. I stuck it into the plastic right there, not too far. Let's remove. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It was a little frightening, and I probably shouldn't have pushed that far, but that looks like that's solid. I just trimmed the ends with the included pair of wire cutters, and let's see if that worked. There it is, check it out. Where that crack was right there. Now has this plastic staple, and then it's a lot easier than replacing this whole unit in here, which is kind of a pain in the ass because the wires come out at the bottom. You gotta fish it through the steering column and everything. Look at that, and a new tool for the arsenal. All right, get the wheel back on, go for a drive. Okay, so the cancel seems to be working perfectly again. See, we go right there, click, and it's released. Left, click, release. Awesome. So that was neat, using a plastic welding gun. I've never used a plastic stapler before, but yeah, again, any excuse to have a new tool in the arsenal, in the tool chest over here, makes every day a little bit more interesting and more capable of a repair. And that was a heck of a lot easier than taking the entire cancel and horn mechanism out of there and fishing the wires down the column and everything, and then plugging it into the harness under the dash. So hopefully that helps somebody else.